Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW Grand Slam 2024. This will take place on the 25th of September 2024. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video is audio only, and this video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues. If you wish to watch this episode or pay-per-view of All Elite Wrestling, then head over to their social media platforms and I'm sure they'll help you out, or subscribe to the correct platforms.